Welcome to our YouTube channel. Let's get started on our anthurium adventure. Anthurium is a tropical flowering plant that belongs to the family Araceae. It is commonly known for its unique, heart-shaped flowers that come in various vibrant colors, including red, pink, orange, and white. Anthurium flowers are also commonly known as flamingo flowers, due to their striking resemblance to the shape and color of a flamingo's beak. The name anthurium is derived from the Greek words anthos, which means flower, and aura, which means tail, referring to the characteristic tail-like structure that protrudes from the flower's spadix. The origin of anthurium can be traced back to the tropical rainforests of Central and South America. It is believed to have originated in the Andes Mountains, spanning from Colombia to northern Argentina. Anthuriums are also found in other regions of the Americas, including Mexico and the Caribbean. Anthuriums are epiphytic or lithophytic plants, which means they typically grow on other plants or rocks in their natural environment. They have large, glossy leaves that are usually heart-shaped or arrow-shaped, and long stems that bear the distinctive flowers. Anthurium flowers are unique in their appearance, with a waxy texture and a spathe that comes in various colors, such as red, pink, orange, yellow, green, and white. The spathe is a modified leaf that wraps around the spadix, which is the actual flowering structure that contains tiny, densely packed flowers. The spathe not only adds to the visual appeal of the flower, but also serves as a protective covering for the spadix. The spadix is usually yellow or cream-colored. Anthuriums are popular ornamental plants and are widely cultivated for their striking appearance and long-lasting flowers. They are commonly used in floral arrangements, as potted plants, or as cut flowers, due to their durability and unique shape. Anthuriums are also known for their air-purifying properties, as they can remove toxins from the air, making them a popular choice for indoor plants. Anthurium flowers have a long history of cultivation, with hybridization and selective breeding, resulting in a wide range of cultivars with different colors, shapes, and sizes of flowers. The cultivation of anthuriums has expanded beyond their native regions, and they are now grown in many tropical and subtropical areas around the world, including Asia, Hawaii, and Florida. There are over 1,000 species of anthuriums, with many hybrid varieties created for different colors, shapes, and sizes. Anthuriums are relatively easy to care for, but they require a warm and humid environment to thrive. They prefer bright, indirect light and well-draining soil. They are typically propagated by division of mature plants or through seeds, although division is the most common method used in cultivation. In addition to their aesthetic appeal, anthuriums also have cultural significance. In some countries, they are believed to bring good luck, prosperity, and happiness, and are used in traditional ceremonies and festivals as symbols of love, affection, and hospitality. However, it's worth noting that some species of anthuriums are toxic to pets and humans if ingested, so caution should be exercised when handling or consuming them. How to grow and care for anthuriums. Here are some tips on how to grow and care for anthuriums. Number 1. Light. Anthuriums prefer bright, indirect light. Place them in a well-lit area with filtered sunlight, such as near a window with sheer curtains. Avoid placing them in direct sunlight, as it can scorch the leaves. If the leaves start to turn yellow, it may be an indication of too much sunlight. Number 2. Temperature and humidity. Anthuriums thrive in warm temperatures between 65 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 30 degrees centigrade, and high humidity. They are native to tropical regions, so they prefer a humid environment. You can increase humidity by misting the leaves with water or placing a tray of water near the plant. Avoid placing them in drafty areas or near air conditioning vents, as it can cause stress to the plant. Number 3. Watering. Anthuriums prefer to be kept evenly moist but not waterlogged. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out slightly before watering again. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so make sure the pot has drainage holes to allow excess water to escape. Water the plant at the base and avoid getting water on the leaves or flowers, as it can cause leaf spots or flower rot. Number 4. Potting and soil. Anthuriums prefer well-draining soil that is rich in organic matter. A mix of orchid bark, perlite, and sphagnum moss is a good choice for potting anthuriums. Choose a pot with drainage holes that is slightly larger than the current pot, and repot the plant every 1 to 2 years, or when it becomes root-bound. Number 5. Fertilization. Anthuriums benefit from regular fertilization during the growing season, which is typically from spring to fall. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer with equal amounts of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, diluted to half strength. Avoid over-fertilizing, as it can burn the roots. Fertilize once a month during the growing season and reduce frequency during the winter months. Number 6. Pruning. Prune yellow or brown leaves and flowers regularly to maintain the plant's appearance and prevent diseases. Use clean and sharp pruning shears to make clean cuts. Prune any dead or yellowing leaves at the base of the stem, and remove spent flowers by cutting the stem back to the base of the plant. Number 7. Pest control. Anthuriums are generally pest-resistant, but they can occasionally suffer from pests such as mealybugs, scale insects, and spider mites. Keep a close eye on your plant and inspect the leaves regularly for signs of pests. If pests are detected, use an insecticidal soap or neem oil to control the infestation. Number 8. Propagation. Anthuriums can be propagated through division or stem cuttings. To propagate through division, carefully separate the plant into smaller sections with roots and leaves, making sure each section has its own root system. To propagate through stem cuttings, select a healthy stem with several leaves and aerial roots, and plant it in a well-draining potting mix. Keep the soil moist and provide high humidity to encourage root development. Overall, anthuriums continue to be cherished as popular ornamental plants for their unique and vibrant flowers, adding a touch of exotic beauty to gardens, homes, and floral arrangements around the world. We hope this video has provided you with valuable information on how to grow and care for anthuriums in your home. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting plant-related content, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for joining us on this anthurium adventure. Happy gardening!